Hello and welcome to day number 51st of vlogging. How you doing, guys? I couldn't vlog this week for the dumbest reason. I don't know even if I want to share this with you. It's pretty dumb. Toilet. Ugh. We got in this house last year and found out. I couldn't find a charger for this GoPro. And I don't usually do that. I found it under my bed. But I do want to talk about one thing. How Mother Nature is trying to destroy human race. You may think, what? What is he? What class? What? No, I'm serious. Mother Nature is trying to destroy human race. First off, South Carolina, what happened? Shut your pie holes. What happened there? And then, no, let's back up 10 years ago. Hurricane Katrina. What happened there? Because Mother Nature has been around for 5 billion years. So recently, in the last 10 years, we had Hurricane Katrina, Hurricane Rita, Hurricane Sandy, all of those. But, Clay, taking off. But just recently, in the last 2 months, we had South Carolina shut on. What happened there? And now, as of today, the biggest hurricane in Western Hemisphere's history is hitting Mexico. Coincidence? Listening. But I just want to share my thoughts on that because that's a really weird thing. But see you tomorrow with a longer vlog. Wait, sit. And I hope you have a great day, guys. I really do. Oh! The YouTuber of the day? Drum roll, please. That's my drum roll. Roman Atwood. I love that guy. He makes good daily vlogs. I'll put all of his channels in the link below in the description. And my YouTuber of the day, platform on my channel, Roman Atwood is the best. Play this as bye. I say bye. Peace.